You may not believe me when I tell you this, because I didn't believe it myself. This is 9,100 actual miles. That's original paint. This car is an incredible original survivor car. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. We have a few hundred collector cars at volocars.com. They're all for sale. You'll find the pricing, photos top to bottom, full description. This one's on there as well, so go to volocars.com. There's also plenty of ways to contact us. We have a whole staff of people that are willing and able to help you out with any questions or concerns. We have financing. We can ship it anywhere in the world. So visit the website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. As we do the videos, that's the best way to see them first. Let's take this for a spin. I got to tell you all about it. So it's an all-original car. The wheels are changed. I have the original rim with Mustang hubcaps. Ford did offer a wheel very similar to that, so that is not original, but they look appropriate. But this is an original car. I mean, the paint, the glass, the interior, it is original, and I'm going to show you it's in outstanding condition. Gentleman called me and told me about this car. I hear it all the time. Elvis owned it. It's never been painted. And usually I look at the car and I find out it's not true. This car, I was blown away. It is true. No tape lines, no overspray. It's an original car, original chrome, tail lights. Look how excellent all of that is. I've had original paint cars. Usually it's on grandma's four-door big Oldsmobile or something, and there's always garage scrapes and dents and dings. I'm not saying this paint is perfect, but it's really, really nice. There's no rust in this car. Zero rust, none, no damage. All this stuff is beautiful. It's got the sport mirrors, the stainless, the original windshield's crystal clear. It's a 351 Cleveland motor, factory air-conditioned car. Even the rubber bumper is in excellent shape. All of this is pristine. Now, the people I bought it from, they bought it in 2012. The light works. This is all mint. The latches, the hardware, the hoses, the heat risers. There's factory paint markings all over. They've never even been wiped off. Anyway, they bought it in 2012 with 7,000 miles on it. They wanted to drive it. They did put a nice new dual exhaust system. It had the original Ford mufflers on it. They put new tires. They pretty much serviced the car. It is getting turnkey drive car. A lot of times we've gotten low mile cars that haven't been used, and you got all sorts of issues. There are no issues. This car runs and drives beautifully. Inside the trunk, I don't think the spare's ever been out of the car. Still has the ink stamp on the tread. The jack and everything is all pristine. The gray trunk spatter paint finish in here is like a 9 out of a 10. It's original, never been resprayed. This is all original. The weather strips are original. Real nice shape. This interior, I could take this interior out and I could sell it as new. It's that nice. There is no wear on anything. It's not just the seat covers, it's the window cranks, the chrome around the gauges, the knobs, the shifter, the console, the seat belts. Convertible top is in really nice shape. There's just original tags, original little things that you don't see on a restored car. Well, let me start it up for you. It's a white convertible top. You just know when you look at a dash, I mean, the vents are sparkling clean. The interior lights work, the key buzzer's working. Inside the glove box is mint. All the interior lights work. Radio works. It's 9,116 miles right now. So you got an air-conditioned 351 big block, power steering, power disc brake car with 9,000 miles. Visors, the mirror, the dash pad, it's all mint. It's not faded, it's not beat up, it's not eaten by mice. So I've been doing this my entire life since I was a kid. That's why I'm so enthusiastic about this car. because you just don't find them like this. You don't. So anyone that's a Ford collector, anyone who's a car collector, anyone that just wants a really special car to just drive, this is it right here. You can find restored cars, but they're only original ones. So go to the website, read all the specs. I'm probably forgetting half the stuff about it, but I'm telling you, I've been around this car. I've had other people that wanted to disprove it, look at it, and everyone is on the same page. This is an original Survivor. It's amazing condition. So go to volocars.com to check it out, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to keep pushing out the videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.